common is eczema?
It is extremely common. It's considered to be the most burdensome skin condition worldwide, as well as the most common. I often refer to it as the diabetes of skin. And it does entail the fact that eczema, if we think about it as a big umbrella, can encompass other forms of itchy rashes other than atopic dermatitis or atopic eczema. In other words, it's not always something that could run in families, and there's other conditions that can masquerade as atopic dermatitis. But on its own, we know that it's extremely common in childhood, that on the order of 1 in 5 children may have eczema in infancy, and that over time that seems to drop off, so that we see that as many people grow out of the disease, what we now appreciate a little bit more is that it's also common in a second peak in adulthood. And that, some estimates will say, 3 to 5%. Other estimates will say up to 10% of adults can have eczema. And that will largely depend on where those studies or those estimates of disease were done. We know that the condition is more common in developed countries, urban environments, areas where people have higher incomes and where they don't have to deal with normal infections very often. So the cleaner the environment, the more likely the eczema.